Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and here on the home page, you just have to simply try to find Solana in the list. If you are not able to find Solana in this list, you need to use the search bar in the top and search for Sol, and once you have found it, you need to simply tap on it. Now over here you will see a bunch of different options like send, receive, swap, buy and sell. So if you don't have Solana in your Trust Wallet account, you can directly purchase it here. For that you need to tap on the buy option, enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase Solana. Select the payment method and you just have to simply conclude the payment method on the provider's website. Now once you have Solana in your account, you need to tap on the send button over here, and now it will ask you to provide the address or the domain name. So in order to get these details, you need to launch your Phantom wallet, and here you need to tap on the receive option. Now in the top you will see Solana address, which you need to copy from here. Then come back in your Trust Wallet account and paste the address in the section. After that you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to send from your Trust Wallet account. After that you need to provide any memo. So in the memo you can write the purpose of the transaction. Now once you are done, you just have to simply press the next button in the bottom, and on the next page you just have to review your details and confirm your transaction. Now once your transaction is completed, you are going to get Solana from the Trust Wallet account to your Phantom Wallet account within just 3 to 5 minutes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.